Hello, good morning, friends. Now let us see the enthalpy of formation, and that we have to understand the meaning of enthalpy of formation. So, the enthalpy of formation is the amount of heat evolved or absorbed when one mole of compound is formed from the its constituent elements at the constant temperature and pressure is called the heat of formation. So what about the suppose we are having the compound CH4 is there. So its constant elements carbon and hydrogen. From these two elements we have to form the one mole of the compound. One mole of the compound is formed from its constant elements is known as heat of formation. And what is that is student constant temperature and pressure must be there. Okay, the most importantly the heat of formation of compound is represented by delta hf. The heat of formation of compound may be positive or negative. Now to understand it, some points are there that we have to understand also. If the standard heat of formation is negative, the compound is called exothermic. Means what is delta hf is equal to negative is coming, that is energy is released, the compound is what reaction is exothermic. That is not very tough. And another is they are saying delta f is it is the positive, and the reaction is what will be, that is resulted endothermic. Okay, that you have to take in mind. Okay, next one, if the standard heat of formation is positive, the compound is endothermic. Exothermic compound are thermodynamically more stable than, okay, endothermic compounds. The following general equation can be used to calculate the enthalpy change: delta HF product minus delta HF reactant. Next point, let us see, student. We have to understand the one questions, based on the enthalpy of formation, and that is quite good question. Okay, so they are saying calculate the enthalpy of formation of methane from the following data. Two equation they have given, and they are asking that is calculate the enthalpy of formation of the methane. And we know the formula. Okay, in the thermochemistry that is definition is very important, student. You don't know the definition, you will never be able to understand what the question is saying and how you can prove it. So enthalpy of formation, when you are talking about enthalpy of formation, so it is formation of what? It is formation of one mole of compound, formation of one mole of compound from where you are preparing from its constituents elements. Okay, that you keep in mind. Constituent elements are what there. Suppose we are having the CH4. They are saying the calculate the enthalpy of formation of methane CH4. What are the constituent element? Carbon is there and hydrogen is there. 2 mole of hydrogen. This is the our required reaction. We have to do all the things to get this one. Okay, and for that they are saying that is two equation they have already given. Okay, this is our required reaction. So see, carbon required here left side in this first equation, it is left side. Hydrogen required left side, it is already there in the left side. Okay, and one more equation is there in the downside. CH4 required right side, but it is there left side. So you change this equation, student, and add out all. Okay, so if you are reversing this equation, the reactant should be in the product side and product should be reaction side. So sign of the enthalpy will also change. So I am writing here after changing. See, first equation I am writing here. What are the first equation are there, student? Let me write here. For that is the first equation is carbon plus oxygen. Okay, it is giving CO2, and second weight H2 is there plus half O2, it is giving H2O. And lastly, after reversing this equation, so we are writing CO2 plus 2H2O, it is giving rise CH4 plus 2O2. Okay, now students, what we have to do, we have to take out the common thing. See, water is not required in the whatever the needed equation, in that needed equation water is not required. So we have to cancel out which is not required. We need only what out of this equation we need, that is carbon plus 2H2 is equal to CH4, only this. So students, what we can do here, that is here 2 water is there, you multiply by these 2. So what we will be, if you are multiplying by that 2, so this H2O, 2H2O and 2H2O is cancel out. And if you are multiplying by this equation 2, so multiply, if you are 2, the 2 cancel out. So one water molecule, that is 2 water molecule, this is getting cancelled out with the 2 water molecule here. Carbon di here and carbon di here is gone. So what is left out? Carbon plus here is H2 is there, to multiply 2H2 and it is forming CH4, right? Up in this process, how much enthalpy is mentioned here? Here is how much? Minus 393.5. This one is there minus 285.5 no 285.8, multiply by 2, and this reaction is reverse reaction. Now carbon dioxide was the right side, so after reversing, how much is there? It is coming plus 890.3 kilojoule per mole is there all. So now add it out. After reversing, this is add all the three equation. So delta HFCH4, if they are asking, so add out minus 393.5 plus you, if you multiply this one, after multiply 285.8 multiply by 2 plus how much will come, student? Plus 890.3. Okay, now again solve minus 393.5. Okay, and this will be also minus, plus into minus, how much coming? It is coming 570 plus this one is coming 890.3. 890.3. Here you see, student, after solving these two, how much value you are getting? Minus 73.2 kilojoule per mole. So enthalpy of formation of methane delta HFCH4 is how much it's coming, student? Minus 73.2 kilojoule per mole. This is our required answers. Now let us move out for another question, if we can solve that. They are saying calculate the enthalpy of formation of the carbon monoxide CO from the following data. Okay, so see, carbon monoxide we have to form. Enthalpy of formation of carbon monoxide. What is the constituent element? Carbon plus half oxygen. Okay, so this is our required reaction according to definition. Up now, student, there are two equations they have given already. Okay, but carbon monoxide, it is their reaction side. We need the product side. So what we have to reverse the reaction. Okay, so from equation 1, from given equation. So given equation, what we are doing, we are reversing C plus O2, it is CO2. Okay, so this is required, the reactant side carbon, that is already there. Next one, after here is value they are writing, how much value? Minus 393.5. Now second point, if you write the after reversing, so CO2, it is giving what? CO plus half O2. Okay, CO plus half O2. It is after reversing, the its value is coming plus 283.5. Okay, 283.5. Okay, now you solve it out. Okay, so what we can do is, student, this carbon dioxide and this carbon dioxide is gone out. Half O2, this O2 means what? Half O2 plus 1 by 2 O2. So this half O2 and this half O2 will be gone out. So what is being left, student? Carbon plus half O2 is giving right what? CO, this CO. So means we have added out this two. We can add this two enthalpy. So if you are adding this two, so how much? Delta FH, okay, enthalpy of formation of CO is equal to how much is coming? Minus 393.5 plus 283.5. If you solve out, it is coming minus 110. It is coming 110 kilojoule per mole. So our required answer is delta FH. Carbon monoxide is equal to minus 110 kilojoule per mole. This is our required answer, right? Is there anything else left? No. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Thank you. You watch out this 2-3 times. You will be able to understand. Okay.